Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to invite a team member on Monday.com. Maybe you've got a new colleague joining your project and you want to make sure they are updated with the progress in your team's workspace. So today I'm going to show you how to invite a team member on Monday.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, look for My Team option and tap on it. Here, you will see all of your team members. Now, to add a team member, simply tap on this option, Invite a team member by email. A menu will pop up below, and here, enter the email address of the member that you want to invite. Once you are done typing the email address, simply tap on this invite button to send your invite to that person. After that, you now have successfully invited a team member on money.com. They will now receive an email requesting them to join your team on the application. Once they accept, they will now be part of your team's collaborative journey. There you go. If you wanted to know how to invite a team member on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to invite a team member on monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.